Dozens of houses have been destroyed in the communities of Sinchu Baliya following heavy rains on the Monday afternoon and early Tuesday Kasim Conte, one of those who were evacuated to the Sinchu Baliya halt post, told iAfrica TV that many of the items were destroyed in his home. Let's take a listen to him in this insert.
Defana woto wuli saba anin kemen lulu woyna almoroto jio be malo filta nyame.
The rain has destroyed so many things here, including money for the family upkeep, amounting to $3,000 here. But one cannot do anything because it's destined by God. We are asking God to come to our rescue because every year the rain used to cause so many damages to us. Our neighbors from Sinchu Baliya and the surrounding villages all came to help us.
One of the victims speaking there after a heavy rain or downpour of rain destroyed many houses in local communities in the Gambia, and we'll bring you more details of that in our subsequent news edition.